What is going on, guys? I'm just gonna be doing a quick little recap here over the trades I took today. Nothing too crazy. A lot of good plays, in the early morning. Didn't work out like I wanted to, but it's okay. Ended up, green, 330 bucks, which isn't too crazy. But what I'm trying to do here, guys, is I'm trying to show you how to build an account with not taking huge positions, not taking huge risk, and not exposing yourself to thousands and thousands of dollar losses. There's a lot of people out there that whenever you're a beginner, you think that you're supposed to go big on size. Everybody starts with penny stocks, and everybody wants to take 3, 5,000, 10,000 shares of a penny stock, and then hopefully if it moves 10 cents, you made some money. That's not the key to the trading, guys. That's not how you're supposed to trade. I know it seems like it because that's how these quote unquote professionals trade, and that's just not the way you're supposed to trade. That's not how. You're never gonna get far trading like that, okay? You're gonna get lucky at the beginning, but at the end of the day, you're gonna be losing more than you make. You're gonna blow countless accounts. You're just exposing yourself to too much risk doing that type of trading. And I know it sounds cool, these guys on YouTube, you got guys making $14,000 from a pool and stuff like that, which is all fake, guys. I'm just showing here. I'm just gonna show you guys the real deal. There's a couple of us here on YouTube that are trying to show you how to really trade, real trades, not no BS. So first and foremost, I got this account here, like I said, on Tradenet. What I'm trying to do is show you guys how to build a small account. So right off the bat, if you don't have a lot of money, definitely just open a Tradenet account. It's the best thing you're gonna do. At least just start with the student one. At least that one's like $3,000 or something like that. But think about it this way: $3,000, you get $80,000 buying power. If you have $3,000 in your TD Ameritrade account, how many trades you're gonna do. All right, you can't do margin because then you can only trade 3 times a week or every 5 days, really. And you can't, if you have a cash account, you take a trade one day and you're done pretty much until 2 days or whatever. And if you open a share trader account, you're gonna get screwed on commissions hardcore, and it's just not the way to go, guys. So like I said, I'm showing you guys how to build a small account, not taking thousands and thousands of shares of a stock and exposing yourself to all this risk and stuff like that. This is about the journey, about taking it easy, taking it slow. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Okay, just take it slow. It's like that. It's like the race of the rabbit and the turtle. If you start trading fast, making all this money, you're gonna get burnt out. You're gonna lose, and you're gonna blow up. All right, you gotta take it slow and easy. So first, let's get off to the recap. So like I said, get you some money, open up at least a student account, $3,000, you get $80,000 buying power. Then you can play all these stocks that I'm trading, or other real professionals are trading. But like I said, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how to take these trades. I'm not a pro trader. I'm not, I don't have 15 years experience or anything like that, but I don't take stupid trades that expose myself to a bunch of risk. All right, I'm not taking 10,000 shares of a cheap penny stock. All right, but let's get to the recap and show you what I did today. So like I said, it was a pretty good day today. Didn't trade like I wanted to. I've been having some internet connections, this past week and a half now. I'm really starting to get pissed off. So every trade I take, I have to anticipate a get out quick, because the other day I was in trade and the internet went out. I had to go down the street and mess with the wires on the box or whatever. I don't know. It was a mess. But like I said, This is what I did today. I was looking at Goose right here, GOOS, NXPI, CLPS. Right off the bat, I wanted to take Goose over the $60 mark, which was right here. As you can see, it gapped up. I believe it was 21%. I want to say, I can't really remember. It was up 21%. It stopped right below the whole number here, and obviously I wanted to take it long over 60. If I can get this thing to work. As you can see, it came all the way up to 60, rejected, came down. So, immediately take it over 60. And, the trading day open, it didn't do that quite for sure. It just kind of stayed there. Just trying to figure out what it was going to do. The market wasn't the best in the morning. I'm not going to say it wasn't the best, because it was pretty good. We had a lot of good plays in the morning, but it wasn't anything that would make the stock break out or anything like that. But so I just kind of stayed there, and I looked my eyes over to NXPI. This isn't something where I had an entry point. I was just looking at it. I just had it thrown on a different screen on another chart. I was just, because I've had it on my chart for the past week or something like that, or the past 3 days or something like that. So I was just glancing over it, and I saw this right here. So it came down, and I saw like kind of curling back up. I said, okay, it's coming back up. I'm gonna get in at the break of 115. It's a whole number. It's resistance here. Nice formation here. I like this formation. Get in over the break of 115, and that's exactly what I ended up doing. As you can see here, I went long 500 shares at 115. Got in right at 115. You can see the time here, so I'm not BSing with you guys. 9:37, which is right here, and I covered 300 shares at 115.60, so right around right here, because I was, I came up. Here's the first candle. I was thinking, what, maybe we can get a red to green move here. Let me show you guys. Let me put it down. So my first cover was right here. I was thinking, what, maybe we can get a red to green move. That's what I was hoping. So I covered, 300 shares here, let the rest run, which was, 200 shares. And it broke over this, but it didn't have the strength. So it was good. It was a good breakout here, a red to green, but it didn't have the strength. And also we had 116 right here, which is another whole number, another resistance point. So I was like, what, this just isn't going to do it. Because if it was going to work, it would have ripped up huge, because red to green plus, the break of 116. But it didn't work out. So I was like, what, I'm done. So I covered, the rest at 78, which was right here. Right around here. Just right above this red candle here. And that's pretty much what I ended up doing there. And that was pretty much it. And then they came down, and I saw this, and I was like, what? It's just right above the VWAP. It was at 115. It stopped at 115 exactly, just like my entry before. Stopped one at 115. I was like, what? I'm gonna take it long again. And I wanted to take it long again, but I was like, what? I don't know, because at the same time I was looking up this, because I noticed I had just missed what I actually wanted to do here. So like I said, I didn't want to go long. I wanted to go long over 60, but it didn't happen. And I noticed this formation here. It was just consolidation here. As you can see, nice formation here. So I was like, what? I'm going to take it long over, or short under 58. Perfect formation, perfect breakdown right here. It didn't work out. I missed my entry, and I was kind of bummed out. I was like, man, this is a big runner. This is what I wanted to get in. This was going to be my play here. So I missed that, and then this happened again. It happened again right here. And I was thinking about going in short right here again. But at this point, I was like, what? It's up 21%. It's a strong stock. This thing might just rip up at any moment, So I really wanted to get in here, but I was just like, you know what? I'm just not gonna do it. Obviously, hindsight, yeah, it looks, perfect. Could have made a killer money right here. If I would have got in up here at 58, I would have probably ended up covering around here at the break of, in this higher low. I would have probably got out right here around this area. But like I said, I mean, it's Friday. I had $300 in my pocket. I just didn't want to risk anything else. CLPS, I was thinking about taking it long over $10, which is right here. I usually wouldn't play a stock like this cheap in price. The only reason I even looked at it because it was cheap in price and there was a nice range to it. So from here to here, it's $1, $2. I had a nice range. You could load up on some shares. If I had just 500 shares, I could have made $500, $600, $700 on this trade right here. But that's pretty much all I did. I mean, I didn't get to trade like I wanted to today. Like I said, I missed a lot of opportunities. I'm not gonna lie. I missed a lot of opportunities. Didn't make a lot of money like I wanted to, but at the same time, you gotta take what the market gives you. And that's pretty much it, guys. I mean, just play safe, simple, and you guys can make money. You don't have to take thousands and thousands of shares. Like I showed you, I made $330 with 500 shares. In less than a minute here. I got in at 37, got out at 38. It's quick, guys. It's quick. A lot of you guys think, oh, I don't want to, you need to take large shares and all this and all that. But you don't, guys. All right. So this was it for today. Hopefully Monday we can have a better day. And that was pretty much it. I might start doing some like live trading or doing recaps where I'm, when it's intraday basically. So I'll think about that. So that's pretty much it, guys. Made $336 today on the day in like a minute like a minute. Nothing too crazy. Definitely not, not anywhere near not anywhere near a good trade, but still worked out pretty good, guys. And that's pretty much it.